Hey guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the Coupon Cat. We are going in Target to see what kind of deals they have and see what's on clearance and see how their Easter things are looking. So come on, let's go. Okay, Target got a Black History Month area. Oh wow. Okay, let's see. And Still I Thrive. That's pretty. That's cute. Okay. And it is $8. It's only $8. This just say Believe. That one is $13. Then they have, oh look, the baby shirts with these on them. That's cute. It's nice. How much is that? That one is $7. That's a nice price. Yeah, this say curls, kinks, waves, braids, and rolls. But it's in a little kid size, so I can't get this. They got books, t-shirts. What is that? What's this? Mess in a bottle. A message in a bottle. Two but my black people are loving it. That's pretty. Message in a bottle. I don't know. I can't tell how much. Oh, they $14.99. What's this? Bob Marley and the Wailers. Oh, okay. Bob Marley. Oh, I like that. It's a t-shirt in there with an album. I don't know how much it is, so I don't see a price. And then here's another one, Winterland. There's a Chadwick Boseman, Glory, Rise. Celebrating Black Culture. Okay. $17. The Chadwick book is $18.99. And they got some bobbleheads. Ava DuVernay. And oh, I like the Venus Williams. That's cute. It was Venus Williams. But they don't have a price on it. Swimming suits are out there. Look at that. I like that green one actually. Okay. Okay, they got the free gift card. Use for Nivea, Aquaphor lotions and creams, $3.99. Buy 3, get a $5 gift card. Okay, guys, so we're gonna do this deal right here. We're gonna grab one Aquaphor at $4.99. You need to do the 1.75 ounce or higher, so one of these. Then you're gonna grab one Gold Bond for $4.99. Oh, wait a minute. One Gold Bond Ultimate at $4.99, and one Eucerin Advanced Healing at $4.99. Okay. Okay, this is how those three should look. You're gonna get this one, 2.7 ounce. This one start at 1.75 ounce or higher. And then you're gonna get this Gold Bond off. I want the more Gold Bond, I couldn't find them, okay? $4.99 a piece, buy 3. You get a $5 gift card back, $4.99. These add up to $14.97. And then you'll take $6 off of the 3 coupons that we have. And here you get a one Aquaphor Eucerin for $2, one Aquaphor for $2, and one Gold Bond Ultimate product for $2. That's take $6 off. I have a $5 gift card, so I'm going to use that. That'll take me down to $3.97, and then I'll get back $5, which is a $2 money maker. If not, or $1.03 money maker, I'm sorry. If not, you pay the $8 and get back a $5 card. Still a good deal, so we're going to grab that one. Guys, always check your 50% off card, because these are $1.99, and now they say $1.39, but now they're 50% off. So half off of $1.39 this is hand sanitizer by Suave. That's good. Look at all that, tons of it, 50% off. So all of that is 50% off. Wow. Or it might be just this. Hey, they got another one, Dove Men Care, Tresemme, and Suave Hair Care. Buy 4, get a $5 gift card. Okay, we're gonna grab 4 of the Tresemmes for $3.99 because let's see, what's that? The 2-in-1 deal. I'm gonna grab 4 of these. Okay, and we're going to use the coupons. That's 2 off of 4 Tresemme products. So at this point, you should have 4 of these Tresemmes in here, and 2 of these coupons taking you from $15.97. Take away $8, you'll be paying $7.96. If you have a $5 gift card like I do, I'm going to use that and pay $2.96 out of pocket. And if you do not, you will pay $7.96 out of pocket and get a $5 gift card back. This is how your cart should be looking at this point, guys. Okay, and the Tresemmes came out to retail me not $130, and Aquafel lotions come out of retail me not 130. So this is how your card should be looking right now. Right now we're gonna get two $5 gift cards back. Let's keep going. They say 99 cents, so these are 50%. So these are 50 cents. They also have Listerine buy 3 get a $5 gift card. Is that part of that? I'm not interested in that. It does at $3.99 and up. You can also grab these right here, 3 of the Listerine mints, which that's what I'm gonna do because I don't need this. These would be $12 and I'm gonna get a $5 gift card, but I'm also gonna use a $5 gift card. So far we are up to $15 in gift cards. Okay, here is this a 15% off right here, but all of this is 50% off. Now guys, let me tell you a story about this right here. Now, when I first looked at the first one, they had a yellow tag on it that said $139. But when I went around the corner, I tried to get a shot of it, but he stepped in front of it before I could, but I had already grabbed them. They were 99 cents with the 50% off there. So I asked him about it, and he said, you can get it for 50% off because we're supposed to take it off at 99 cents. He said, and then tell them my name is Alfonso, and they'll give it to you. Whenever you see that, get those people name. They have to give it to you for that price. It's illegal to sell that without for the price that it wasn't posted for. Okay, so what's up here? Pre-bodied hand soap, $3.34 from Tom's. I think we got a hand soap coupon from Tom's. Okay, some of that's 99 cents. Oh, here, pumpkin and spice, $4. That's crazy. Okay, what's this? Always check your end caps because this is where I land like a lot of my golden jewels from, guys. A lot of them. See, this is Method for $2.09. Hand soap. Ain't that something? What's that? I don't know what that is. Okay, so let's continue, guys. Okay, so when I buy these 3 Listerines, guys, they're going to come up to $11.97. Of course, I have a $5 gift card, so I'm going to use my $5 gift card. If not, I believe it's a coupon for it, but I don't know where it says, so I don't want to tell you that. Look for it if you want to have these. I throw these in my purse. $11.97. Then I'm going to use a $5 gift card. Going to bring me down to $6. Bring me down to $6.97. And they're going to give me back a $5 gift card. So I'll end up paying $1.97. So far we are up to $15 in gift cards. And this is how your card should look. Isn't that great, guys? We are doing good in Target. I'm really excited. Okay, Arm & Hammer is $11.70. Oh, and up. Jesus Christ, I would never buy that. Oh my goodness. This type of stuff, use your common sense. You know not to get that. Okay, we have 2 Febreze of these left. I'm going to grab 2 of them. Okay, guys, I'm actually going to grab 2 more of these because I found 2 more coupons. Okay. So this is how you're looking now. 4 of those, 3 of those, 3 of those, and 4 of those. We're using coupons for everything except the Listerine. They also, guys, now I won't be getting these, but this is an honorable mention. These are $6.99, and if you buy 3, you get a $5 gift card. If you have any type of coupons for these, use them. That's a good deal. They also have Real Pad and Royale and 7th Generation for buy 3. Get a $5 gift card. And these chlorine free ultra thin pads, $6.99. Buy 3, get a $5 gift card. Okay, guys, so we are going to be getting out of here. All of the clearance stuff was all over the floor, so we'll be looking at that another time. Let's get out of here with this one. Okay, guys, so we are back from Target. I hope you all enjoyed that haul. It was quick, straight to the point. Now let's point out some things. These are our freebies. Stack up on these. This is a good stockpile because when you buy the plugins, you already have these. That's the object that they basically do. They give you one of these for free, and then give you coupons for the other one, and most out of the P&G. These, remember, they were in error as 99 cents, and then they gave them to me for 50 cents. But I did have a glitch. The lady would not adjust it at the register, so I had to get these adjusted at the return center service desk. These worked out fine. My best one was this one. I will go, once you see me do this deal, guys, what it is if I find a good deal, I'll keep doing the deal. So I will probably go and do the rest, but they'll all be gold bonds. These are good pocket purses, lotions. Okay, and we got a $5 gift card for that one. Then we did the Listerine. It was no coupon for it. I did look. I didn't. If it was, can you guys let me know which coupon it was? And I had a $5 coupon for that one. Those were at $3.99. All of these were at $4.99. Of course, Tresemme, that every time you see this deal for the Tresemme 4 off 2 or 5 off 2, you're gonna see some type of haul like this at either Target, Walgreens, or CVS. And of course, you got a $5 gift card. So guys, the thing is, this is stock up time. People want to know when is stockpile, when should you stockpile. This is the time when you can stockpile. You can definitely stockpile Tresemme, especially if you're flipping a card. And this is a good stockpile also. Now I will stockpile these if I knew I can get like a coupon for them. I got those because me and my daughter and my mom use those, so it was just a great deal for me. But here you go, guys, $15 in gift cards back. I want to ask you guys, what do you all do with your gift cards? Me personally, I flip back and forth and I save them until Christmas come up. Then I start using them, making most of my Christmas items there either cheap or free. Thanks guys for tuning in. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, share this channel, and thanks for doing Target with me. Bye.